If you're looking to make money online or start freelancing, Fiverr is one of the most popular platforms to kickstart your journey. But what exactly is Fiverr and how does it work? In simple terms, Fiverr is an online marketplace where freelancers offer services called gigs to clients from all over the world. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, video editor, virtual assistant, or even someone with niche skills, Fiverr gives you a place to sell your expertise and get paid. The platform is called Fiverr because it originally started with services offered at $5, but today, freelancers can set their prices anywhere from $5 to hundreds or even thousands of dollars, depending on the complexity and value of the service. As a beginner, Fiverr can be both exciting and a little overwhelming, but the key is to start small, build credibility, and gradually grow your profile. Creating a Fiverr account is easy. Once you sign up, you can create your profile, highlight your skills, and start building gigs. Each gig includes a title, description, pricing packages, and sometimes extras like faster delivery or additional services. High-quality images, portfolio samples, and clear descriptions can help your gigs stand out because buyers often decide based on professionalism and clarity. Fiverr also has a rating system, which is crucial for beginners. After completing a gig, clients leave reviews and ratings that appear on your profile. Positive reviews build trust and help you attract more buyers. Even starting with small projects can help you gather reviews and improve your chances of landing bigger, higher paying gigs in the future. Another important aspect is communication. Fiverr has a built-in messaging system that allows you to talk to clients before and during a project. Clear communication helps avoid misunderstandings, sets expectations, and ensures your work meets the client's needs. It's one of the secrets to building a strong reputation on the platform. Fiverr also offers resources like tutorials, community forums, and seller tips to help beginners succeed. The platform works for almost any skill you can monetize online, from design, writing, and marketing to tech services, voiceovers, video editing, and even unusual or creative skills. The key is to find your niche, deliver quality work, and keep improving your profile over time. If you're ready to start your freelancing journey, Fiverr is a great place to learn, grow, and earn your first income online. If this video helped you understand Fiverr and how beginners can get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials and tips for freelancing success. Thanks for watching.